Hello folks, welcome to Yardie's Kitchen, and today we are working with some hormone-free, antibiotic-free organic chicken from Trader Joe's, and I'm feeling like I should put some jerk seasoning on this. Yeah, I'm gonna put some jerk seasoning on this and light up the grill. So make we clean it up now and start the cooking. Yes. So we have our chicken cleaned up right here, and Josh has just cut the garlic and the onion and the the garlic and the onion, and so now we're gonna try to put it in our food processor and see if we can just blend up all of that. All right, and the pepper, the one pepper here, we just take it out of the freezer. I'm gonna cut off the stem. Cut off the stem right here and just put the whole pepper. Alright, and let me just do the garlic first and the pepper. And this is how I make my jerk sauce, guys. No, you don't have to follow my regiment. You can just season it with a jerk sauce from the store-bought jerk sauce. I recommend the Grace jerk sauce or Walker's Wood jerk sauce. This is what I usually do to just add a little more body to my sauce, just to, you know, make my marinade as nice and as, you know, as potent as possible. I'm using some olive oil, and this is olive oil blend. All right, so this is sunflower oil and olive oil, and I'm putting about 3 tablespoons of that into my food processor, and then put the top on. And just pulse it, yeah. And just add more onion. And the fine, if you want it to go fine, you can do it fine. Again, all of that is up to you. Alright. With this, I'm going to add a little browning. And the browning that I'm going to add is to get the color. You know, because you want your jerk to be a nice, rich, deep brown color. Now, again, some people don't use browning. I use browning. You know, browning, yeah. And it's a caramel coloring agent. That's all browning is. Alright? And you just add some browning to this. The browning is thick, man. True, have it long time. True, not use it. Hit the back. Hit the back. No, you don't have to hit the back. It's just way thick. Why? Oh, browning now, come on. Browning. I may add a little water to the browning. You pause it. You not pause it. Add little water to the browning. Yeah. That way you get your browning to move. And again, if it wasn't like me I do, if I was cooking in a pot, I wouldn't necessarily use the browning, because we grew past that now. But like I want with jerk to have a nice pretty color, we're going to add the browning. And let me add some pimento leaf to this. Pimento seed, sorry. No, me put that later. So. Okay. Alright, so now Josh, this might burn your eyes a little bit. So you have to be aware of that. I have here also my homemade green seasoning, and I'm gonna put the link to that in the description. In the description box, as well as I have some jerk seasoning, pre-made jerk seasoning from Grace. And you can also, I'm gonna also, yeah, so watch it now, yeah, assemble now, see your chicken, and this is hormone free, duty free chicken, no tax on it, a joke, hormone free. Ask the question what that means, hormone free, Josh.
What does that mean?
You couldn't ask the question like Cho, you boring me? Ask the question, man.
What does that mean? What does hormone free mean?
It means no hormone. Haha. No, well, some farm raise them chicken without the chemicals and all of them something there. Them feed them natural foods and grains and them stuff there. You know, and so this is one of those organic farms. Alright, so this is my green seasoning. And you put a lot. And the green seasoning, guys, as I said, the link to the green seasoning is going to be in the description box. Or better yet, there's going to be a little card right up here, so at the top of the page. One little white dot will come up, and you can click on it. So the green seasoning will help to, you know, permeate all of the niceness of the ray.
It looks like chili.
Yeah. And then this now is my onion and garlic and oil, and all of that is gonna be what's gonna soak into, and pepper is what's gonna soak into this meat when you put the meat to marinate. And you can marinate, ideally you want to marinate this overnight, but between 4 or 5 hours, it depends on you. You know, as long as it's over 15 minutes, you're good to go. But as I said, overnight would be ideal. Yep. So, and now, the pièce de résistance, some of this jerk seasoning. See that? Jerk seasoning. And you just want to put enough to make yourself comfortable. This is a mild, but you know, when we Jamaicans say mild, don't believe it. Our version of mild is mildly burning. And then we're going to put a little bit more oil for good measure. And the oil allows, that's probably about 2 tablespoons. The oil allows for the marinade to seep into the meat. And my hands are clean because I just use this to wash the meat, and you pretty much want to start stuffing in all of this thing, getting the meat well prepped, getting the seasoning under the skin of the meat and almost everywhere. And you're gonna do this until you believe in your heart of hearts that this marinade is properly incorporated into the meat. And once you believe that, then you're gonna leave it alone and make it stay there and do it thing. I always lift up the skin and try to stuff some jerk marinade under the skin, especially the breast meat, because you want that to be well seasoned. Alright? And here goes my eyes start to burn me now. Yeah. But this is what jerk chicken is about. Original Jamaican jerk chicken, yes. Normally they would have a pit outside that they would jerk the chicken in. You know that? Underground. Jerk chicken was normally done underground, you know. See that? That's meat and seasoning under the skin there. See that now? Soak it in, you know. Make sure so it go underneath the skin. And we jerk with the skin on, because the skin being on, it keeps the meat moist and it protects the flesh of the meat from burning. So once we're done cry, wow.
You said you're supposed to get used to it.
No, you never get used to it. It burns. It burns. Yeah. So you just make sure so everywhere get touched with the seasoning. Everywhere, as much as possible. And I'm gonna just do this and continue to massage this in until the entire chicken is properly done and soaked in, and then we see you with the cooking part of it. And you want to make it die? Watch it. No put. We're on one side high, on one side low.
What's on your hand?
Which one?
You're making it die.
Let me catch up when it's ready.
3 people trying to make one fire.
Really, Candy? Really? That's what you really want to come to?
Yes.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Woo. Yeah, so the barbecue grill starts blazing now.
That's super close to me.
The prep work for start the fire for start the big grill.
What?
And a cloth here, but I don't work with him. Chewing one piece of paper from 1 mile away. Alright, sir.
Watch it.
But yeah,
Watch it.
for all of you that don't know, this is how you make fire.
Spray the oil thing on everything.
Exactly.
Pile on a whole heap of paper.
But don't do it near to me.
And then you spray on the thinking.
That's out.
Oh, fail.
It's dead.
Fail.
What is that? That's paint.
Alright, watch it now.
No, not yet. I have to put it full together. Right on here.
Is that paint?
Oh gosh, this is hilarious to
What do
me.
you mean paint chicken?
Yeah.
Who that?
No. Soja man, fan me, soja man, fan me, soja man, fan me. Oh, get your character gun.
We're on the other side.
Yeah, man, fire come.
Go in the kitchen. Where you go? Alright, so now I prep my grill. Yeah, chicken been marinating for a while. How long ago we do the chicken, Joshua?
I don't know.
A long time, don't it? So you just pretty much want to take an onion and just wipe your grill down, and use some oil as well. And now I'm going to start put on my chicken. And as you can see, by 6 o'clock, the time get, by 6 o'clock the time get dark here in Miami. So you put on the chicken, and you want to put the chicken on skin side up.
That's
I'm
mine.
I'm filming, see. So please go on with your water argument somewhere. I'm filming. Skin side up. Zoom in, Josh. You can zoom. Yeah, but you can use this right here and zoom in like so, and zoom out like so. And of course we have some fish we are going to put on too. And the reason why you go skin side up is because you want to get a good char for your chicken.
That's my wing right there. I get all the legs in one of those fat ones. That's my chicken breast right there.
This chicken breast is going to be used to make salad.
No, it's not.
You them make claims on the chicken?
I thought you said you're vegetarian.
Who, me?
Mm-hmm.
Only in the weekdays.
Wow. So I'm just going to put these chicken on and then we'll move to the next level. Alright? So Josh, you can cut it now. So it's been about 5 minutes or so. Yeah, about 5-10 minutes. And now I'm going to be turning my chicken. Yeah, depending on your grill, you know, you can turn it a little bit sooner and or a little bit less, a little bit later, depending on your grill and how you set up your fire and all of that. So you want to turn the chicken and make sure, say, you know, get the other side cooked and ting. And this is the turning process. You have to go monitor your fire, monitor your chicken, monitor your fire. I won't show all of this because I don't want the video too long. And we have some fish where Brother Watson has fixed up inside there so too. So pretty much you're just going to be turning your chicken and making sure that it is properly done on all sides. Alright, you get me? And then we're just pretty much going to show you the reveal. Yes, our jerk chicken. Oh yes, this is it. Watch your man. Jerk chicken straight off the grill. Need I say more? Need I say more? Little bit charred. But we get in there. Look good to me. How it look to you? Alright, so Brother Watson has set up some fish over there, so. And we are going to sort out the fish next. But boy, the chicken look good, me I tell you. Lord have mercy. Oi. Want some bread now and some ketchup. Where ketchup there? So now we're turning our attention to the fish. Brother Watson is in the kitchen and he might cut up some callaloo with green onions and regular onion. And all of that will be added to the okra. We're going to cut up the okra them too. And add the callaloo and the okra, mix up everything. And that I got stuff into the fish. Now the fish has been washed and prepped. And we'll put salt and black pepper on the fish already. And it's different types of fish. Grunt, mackerback, jack, snapper. Different types of fish. Alright. All of this is going to be put into foil paper package with water crackers. And ting. See the pepper there. See what's going on out here now? All of them fish that we seen at the house earlier on, they are being sorted out. Yes. A piece of assortment is happening right here now. Remember, so we have some in our house, you know.
Yeah, that's why I try to put them over here somehow.
You can go and permit it. Just put them to the side of one another, man. How that feel? You feel like it a go on?
Yeah. And you can go and taste that sample.
Oh yes. Hallelujah. So now put this at bottom then. Put this on top of that one there like how you know on that to yeah, and then put this over now. So we have space now if we go for the other two. Now go for the other two now. Yes, man.
It's just another Saturday night and the fish it a grill and me can't wait to eat it up. Yes, it a roast and yes, it a steam and yes, me belly a wait up. Hey. Why? Grilled fish tonight. Yeah.
Okay, so this is it, guys. The finished dish. I am so sorry I didn't get to plate this properly for you, but as you can see, the night come down pan way. I had no intention to cook, to grill so late, but you don't know when you get the opportunity to get some nice roast fish, you have to deal with it. So the callaloo has been nicely steamed and everything. Flavors are being absorbed into the fish, and the crackers are soak up most of the excess moisture, and the fish, it smells so divine, so awesome. And I'm happy with the end result, and I'm gonna dive in right now. But I just want to say, remember to like, share, subscribe. This is an unconventional video. It's not everything done to, you know, like nice specifications, but we love the end result. Like, share, subscribe, and remember, taste buds, big up.